Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to grilled zucchini time, done the fancy way. And let me tell you, you will love them. I also added almond and mince.
Mint. Mince is meat.
Oh, mince like the green stuff, the mint, when you put in the cocktail.
It's mint.
Thank you for correcting me, Mason. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where you get to learn how to make fantastic Italian recipes. I want to show you how to make this, so let's go into details. To make grilled zucchini like an Italian, we need nice zucchini, okay? Here I'm using 3 nice zucchine in Italy. 1 clove of garlic. I'm gonna use mint because mint goes so well with zucchini. And when you try it, you will say to me, oh my God, you are right. We're going to have some almonds. You can have as many as you like. If you want roasted almonds, go for roasted almonds. Extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and salt and pepper. All right, now, how do we cut the zucchini, okay? So, let's remove this part, because we don't want this part. Let's remove the bum, not too much. And now what we're gonna do here, we wanna cut into a diagonal cut, okay? So, the first one, unfortunately, will be like this. And then what we do, see that? We're gonna continue to cut. You don't wanna make it too thick, you don't wanna make it too thin. What I would recommend you is to have this kind of, this thickness, simply because when it cooks faster, it cooks well, and you enjoy more, the texture is nicer. So just like that. So what we do with this one, we cut a little bit at the back, so when we grill, these will be grilled and this will be grilled too. So now I'm gonna cut this other one, and I'll show you how to start from the bum. So again, diagonal here, nice diagonal, and we go like that. You keep going, just like that. Take your time when you cut, please. You don't want to cut your fingers, just like that. In this way, you can also manage the thickness, okay, of this grilled zucchini. See, basically, I try to keep my knife just like that. See, I try to keep it nice and long. See this slice? It's perfect. See that? It's gonna cook in no time, and it will be beautiful. The texture that we want. And this is what we do with the last part. See this part here, what we need to do? We just need to cut a little bit, so we'll be able to cook there, grill this part and this part. All right, now before we start grilling the zucchini, what we do is we're gonna make the dressing for this, okay? I make it now so the dressing can, the flavors can make love together. 1 clove of garlic, which I'm going to crush. So we're gonna crush the beautiful garlic here. Hello garlic. All those flavors come out and they are beautiful. Now we're gonna be very generous with the extra virgin olive oil. Let's fill up maybe half of the glass, just like that. And then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put some balsamic vinegar. I have some beautiful balsamic vinegar from Modena, the real deal. It is an expensive one, but this is a top quality balsamic. And it's gonna give the flavors to this dressing. Okay, that's enough. And now quickly, we stir, mix. So the garlic goes everywhere. The oil and balsamic make love together. Just do this. Or if you like, you can shake it. If you have a shaker, you can shake it. Now let me tell you, this is full of flavors. This is the dressing you wanna use for this kind of, recipes. And do not buy this fake Italian dressing from the supermarket. There is no Italian dressing exists out there, okay? It's fake, they're just taking money from you. You make your dressing your own. Just 3 simple ingredients that you have in your cupboard. That's all you need to do. This is the dressing I made for this recipe. But doesn't mean it's Italian, it could be international. Okay, now the grilling part. Grilled should be done on the barbecue, okay? So if you have a barbecue, especially charcoal is the best one. So you grill them on the barbecue, okay? If it's winter, it's cold, you don't want to use the barbecue, or you don't have an outdoor area, you can use the skillet. The skillet does an incredible job, and all we want to have is grilled sides, okay? We want to see the beautiful black lines on each zucchini. Make sure your cooktop is on a very high heat. When you do the grilling, you want this to be very strong, high heat. You want the skillet to be so nice and hot. What we do, we're gonna put the zucchini on the hot plate, just like that. Listen to the sizzling. We basically wanna cook them until they become nice and brown on each side, okay? We wanna have the nice black lines there. They show us that they are grilled. Now these are long, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put a skinny one in there, small one here. I'll put a longer one here because it will fit. And then I get this one in there. Okay, now let's wait until they become nice and grilled on one side. All right, it's time to check them now. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the skinny one first, here. It's not cooked yet. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, we can turn this around. Let's have a look at this one here. Beautiful. Let's have a look at this one. Not ready yet. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, beautiful. Looks fantastic. Let's have a look at this one. See, it's not ready yet. It's too white there. I want to see the lines everywhere. Let's put it back. Okay, we got one more here after turn. Let's see if it's cooked. Oh yeah, look at that. Now it's definitely grilled. So it's grilled. Let's have a look at all of them. See, I want this color. It's such an important color. See, it's so important. Let's go and check these ones. Almost done. See, it's still a little bit white. I want that to be a little bit more brown. Just because I think it's got a better flavor. Oh yeah, this one is ready. It's ready. So let's put this one on the plate over here. Yum yum, yum yum. Guys, while we wait for the other ones to cook, let's put some salt and pepper on this one, okay? Put some nice sprinkle of salt, a little bit of pepper. Let's put the mix, okay? So we got the garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and balsamic vinegar mix. And we just put it everywhere, okay? Just make sure you go everywhere and give the flavor to all this zucchini. So each layer we have salt and pepper and the dressing. Beautiful. Now this is where the magic begins. We got the salt, we have the dressing, and now we're gonna put the mint everywhere. Just break the mint, okay? Oh, the flavors of the mint. Oh my God, I just love the smell of mint. I love the smell of mint as much as I love the smell of basil. Yum, yum, yum. Just put it everywhere there. Perfect. Now what we do is we're gonna put the almonds everywhere, okay? Like if you make a pizza, just take your time, spread them evenly everywhere, because you do want a little bit of crunch when you eat them. And now we can do the second layer. We're gonna get more zucchini. We can kind of cross this zucchini here. Cross them. Nice. Let's do the last batch. And here we go. Wow, these ones are very long. Let's put the little ones here. And this will be the final touch. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. So beautiful. So beautiful. Turn this one. Oh, this one is not cooking. Why are you not cooking, baby? You don't want to be cooked? Look at this one. This one is ready to be enjoyed. Ready to be enjoyed, ladies and gentlemen. What's happening with this one? It doesn't want to cook. What I'm going to do here, I'll move you to this side so you cook a little bit faster. Guys, it's time now to decorate this beautiful dish. Let's finish it off. Look how wonderful this grilled zucchini are. Look how wonderful. Look at the beautiful colors. These are the colors that we want. Look at that. Look how beautiful it looks. Now what we want to do is let's put salt, pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper. We're gonna go crazy now with our dressing, okay? The all-made dressing. Go on top of each one, okay? We wanna make sure the garlic goes everywhere. Look at that. Just make sure you put a lot. Go crazy. And if you got some left, don't worry. You can use it the next time you're making a salad. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now, time to break the mint. Break the mint and put the mint everywhere. Oh, the smell of mint on my mouth. Oh, The smell of mint on my hands. I'm not gonna wash my hands tonight. It's so important that you don't cut the mint. It's so important that you don't cut the meat on the chopping board. You wanna cut the mint with your hands. Oh, just like that. Fantastic. Last but not least, we wanna put our beautiful almonds everywhere. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful almonds. Just be generous. We do want that beautiful crunch of almonds. And to decorate this dish, I'm gonna add some beautiful mint right here. Now guys, we're ready to serve this wonderful, easy, grilled zucchini made with love. You wanna be vegan? You can if you eat this way, guys. Oh, this is delicious. The combinations, the smell of balsamic vinegar. This needs to go into my mouth. Are you ready? What an explosion of aromas. Mint, balsamic, that beautiful crunch from the almond, and the moist flavors zucchini. Oh my God. Oh, what a dish. What a simple dish that you can have when you have friends coming over. You can have as a lunch, you can have as a beginning of a meal, or it can be your meal with a nice slice of bread. This is vegan food at its best. Guys, if you don't love zucchini, you will love it now, let me tell you. It's just fantastic. The flavors in here are sensational. Yum, yum, yum. What are you waiting for? Go to the market, buy the fresh zucchini, and make it now. I'm going to enjoy this, so thank you so much for watching this episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. Yum. With a few. What's going on with me? Hi, and welcome to Vincenzo. Take 15.